Hi and welcome. I'm Frederick from Dropsolid. At Dropsolid, we really believe in open and sovereign technology. It's the only way forward for CMS, marketing automation, and artificial intelligence. Dropsolid builds open digital experience platforms powered by open source technology. This means that you can stay in control while growing smarter with AI and a supporting partner. In this video, I'll introduce to you the platform and show you how it helps deliver better digital experiences. Let's dive in. So I'll start by explaining the organizations. In the Dropsolid platform, you can have multiple organizations. This means that you can be a member of a number of organizations, but you can also have other members that can only see one organization. In each of these organizations, you can have a number of projects or only one. So you can have one organization with one project in it and only one developer, or you can have a number of organizations with hundreds of projects in each of the organizations. This really depends on you. Going into these organizations, they all have their separate roles, so you can make your own roles with their own permissions based on how you want to organize this specific group of people and how you want to manage their permissions. So you can have these kind of roles: junior developer, architect, marketeer, owner, or you can name them differently and assign them different permissions. You also see the install profiles tab. Why do we have this here? Because we have a number of clients that have hundreds of websites and they want to be able, without developer intervention, set up new websites. So we allow them the possibility to upload an install profile and then from this install profile, start new websites as they wish, as many as they want. They don't need a developer to help them set up new websites. They just need someone to maintain the install profile. That's for organizations. Then on to DevOps. Setting up new websites is really very easy. Click on the button here to start a new project. This is the organizations that you're part of. Give it a name, click on next, and the project is started. It looks like this. Once you've started the project, you see we create a repository for you, which you can then use GitLab to see the commits, see the structure, see the pipelines, all of that information. And you also have the environments. The environments, by default, we provide a number of environments, but you can just click the plus button and add new environments as you go. This is really for you to decide how you call them, how many you want. And then in each of these environments, you see there's a number of other things. Obviously, you can deploy, sync down data or sync up files or check the logs, or perhaps, I don't know, clear the cache or delete an environment or switch PHP versions or this kind of things. You also can navigate to it. For every environment, we provide a specific Dropsolid sites URL, but you also have the possibility to add your own domains. So I was talking already about a client that creates their own website. You can just add the domain here, save it, and you're done. A new website is created based on your install profile and you're ready to go. If you want SSL, you can just press the button, add your own certificate, or let us manage it for you, and you have an HTTPS website that really is secured by us. Obviously, you can also configure cron jobs here, manage tokens, see the backups that we take, other services that are available like caching or reverse proxy caching or other things that you want. All of that is obviously available in the platform. We disable admin logins on the Dropsolid platform. But how do we log in as an admin, I hear you think? Well, this is why we have this button here, generate login link for this specific environment. This generates a one-time link that you can use only once, obviously, and then you can click on it and be logged in as an administrator. This gives us the possibility to keep an audit trail on who logs in as an admin, but also this limits the security risk on your production website. We support a number of products. You see here that we can filter on the organization that I'm a member of, but you can also filter on the type of project that we support. And I already told you we support marketing automation, content management systems that could be Drupal or front-end technology, customer data platform, which allows you to do personalization, Dropsolid AI, obviously for AI, language models, embedding models, and all of that, and other things. Thanks for watching. With Dropsolid, you can build open, intelligent digital experiences while keeping control of your data. Learn more at dropsolid.ai. Looking forward to see you again.